Hello guys, as you can see, this is a portable generator, Maxi 1.5 kV generator. So a client called me that this generator doesn't work fine, so I need to go check it and see what is the cost of this generator not to start. It's not coming up, as you can see, it's not coming up. So let's check out the oil first and see. The oil is not that gauge. There is no gauge. So I can just disconnect this oil alert just to start this thing. I'll connect it back just to start it. As you can see, that means it's not the oil that is faulty. It's not the oil that is making it to start. Let me connect the oil alert back. I have to connect the oil alert back. So let's check the plug. So we check the plug. Check the plug. See? Check the plug to see. Wow, the plug is wet. You can see this plug is wet. Yeah. Let me check the light that is coming out from this plug. I just want to check the lights coming out from the plug. So see, check out the lights coming out. The plug is still good. You can see the light in the plug. It's still sparking. Why is it not coming up? Why is it not coming up? Coming up. So the plug is wetting. Let me just use my hand to cover this place up to drag it in because it's wetting the plug and the oil is not even deep. So it's wetting the plug, as you can see. So I need to tighten the plug back. So as you can see how this gen is smoking. So this is the cause of what is making, what is killing the plug. As you can see, the smoke coming out from the engine, from the generator. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how we ring this generator. So we're going to do the overhauling of the generator. So watch out. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.